Welcome. In front of me I have Realme X7 Max, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. It will be also a very good example because on the screen I installed tempered glass and I didn't remove this thin foil that you got pre-installed. So we got two protections on the screen, and let's see how this fingerprint in the screen works on the Realme X7 Max. Let's make the try. So as you can see, it's very fast, even with two screen protectors, foil and a tempered glass. I think that's the smartphone that everybody wish to have, because it's not expensive like, for example, S21 Ultra, OnePlus 9 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there we got amazing specs, amazing performance, and amazing fingerprint. As you can see, it works really great. It's very fast, it's reliable, and even with the two protection, it works still good. So amazing, and another time, amazing device. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.